Okay, so this is just a quick overview on how to install RedBSD. It's a video I've been meaning to make for a while now. There's just a few things that we have to remember when we make this. Otherwise, most of it is just the same old setup you'd have with FreeBSD, which is what this is, of course. You want to make sure you click on Distribution Sets. This is just a distro that I set up for myself when I do pen tests. I'll use it sometimes. I'm a fan of BSD. I like Linux too, but I've always had a special place in my heart for BSD, specifically FreeBSD and OpenBSD. So I thought I'd put some red team oriented pen testing packages on it and try it out. It's fun so far. If you had to choose what's better, Kali, Linux, or RedBSD, then obviously it's going to be Kali. It's far more supported. A lot of people use it. It's been tested for many years. Much larger community. This is just a fun project that I put together for myself. I've been using it for a little while, and so I thought I'd just post it for people to take a look at if you want. I'm not a big fan of Git. I've been a programmer. I was a programmer for almost 2 decades before moving into the red team, and I still hate Git. So whenever I post things on GitHub, it's usually just one big commit, and I keep all my versioned code and scripts and things in my local SVN repo. So I don't have much of a Git history. So I probably won't put the meta packages up. They're already open source. They're on the website. So when you download the meta packages, there's a link to it on the website, redbsd.org. All it is just a zip tar file, and that has all these scripts that you see here. And so if you were to install all of them, it'd take probably a while. Maybe even a couple hours, depending upon your VM specs. So I'll probably cut down this a little bit. The first, I'd say 1 through 9 packages are probably more of the base packages. Sets up X, sets up the desktop, the themes and that kind of stuff. So installs the default user, which is just RedBSD, and the default password is RedBSD. This is going to take a while, so I'll probably go ahead and pause it and pick it up when it's done. Okay, so things should be wrapping up here pretty soon. This is largely made by AI, so I didn't develop a lot of it. So if there's any issues with that, then don't use it. There's the finished screen right there. Do a quick reboot, boot into the root desktop. Once you log into the desktop for the first time, it'll take a minute for the background and themes to load or whatever. So there's your default user, RedBSD, password's RedBSD by default. Try and log into root here. Try to remember my password that I set. All right. So most of it's done. I'll just do a quick test to see if RTFM v2 will load. It's a pretty good test because it's actually a .NET application. Very good. There's the theme. Thanks.